Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk on the topic 4 things to remember to win a court case. As a lawyer, you have dual responsibility. One, you have to protect your client's interest. The litigation is not interested in abstract questions of law or justice. What he/she wants is success in his or her case. You do have to all that responsibly can in order to win a court case. Furthermore, you have to help the court arrive at a correct decision. The bench and the bar are the two wheels of the chariot of justice. The advocate and the judge ought to have equal charity of enduring justice. Some pointers that can be in mind to for an efficient win of a court case are: Number 1. Tell the court everything that it wants to know. A judge is in a good position to decide a case correctly. When lawyers for the two sides present the case from opposite viewpoints, a court wants to know everything that can possibly be said in support of certain view. So an advocate is only doing his or her duty when he/she places before the court the fact and the law which supports the view. Barring certain exceptions, such as public prosecutor in criminal cases, it is not necessary for an advocate to draw the courtroom attention to matters which support the contrary view. Second, know the facts and the question of law. Being a lawyer, one cannot argue one's case properly unless they have studied the facts thoroughly. If there is a dispute among pedigree, you must know the extent to which then tally on which they differ. An advocate arguing an appeal should be able to point out important contradictions in the statement of witnesses of the opposite party without requiring the appellate court to go through all the depositions. Not only should the advocate be ready with the decisions that support him, but he should also study the authorities that his advisory is likely to cite. Many statutes have been amended from time to time. The lawyer must be acquainted with the latest amendments. It is risky to refer to old editions of books or statutes. Number 3. Present your case convincingly. Having studied the facts and laws applicable to the case, you are now ready to appear before the court. You have to present your client's case in the best light and thereby possibly win the court case. You are well within your rights in stretching the points which are in your client's favor, but as an advocate, you must not mislead the court or question of fact. The same remarks apply to arguments on question of law, although it may be considered that there is more room for honest difference of opinion on question of law. Where two views are possible, an advocate is entitled to argue the view that favors his or her client to win the case. But if a statute is clear or if the Supreme Court has decided a question of law, it is useless to argue further on that point. Avoid lengthy, unreasonable arguments and tiresome cross-examination. The object of arguments is to convince the court. Argument is useless if there is no reasonable chance of court accepting a certain view. It is permissible to raise certain technical points provided that there is a chance of the case succeeding on a technical point, but there should be no hair splitting for its own sake. It is annoying to find that a lawyer is merely playing to the gallery, knowing fully that the point has no substance. Lengthy arguments and tiresome cross-examinations are wasteful. Judgments of court should be concise, and argument of the advocate should be in point.